Smith & Jones. Okay, let me tell you one thing. I am not a singer. I work in the kitchen here at Smith & Jones. And little history about it. We're going to do one song for you this evening. We're going to do one song for you this evening. I work in the kitchen here at Smith & Jones. I am not a singer, so instead of listening to my voice, listen to the content of the song. I'm very much into nature, and I was born here in Fort Lauderdale, so I love the ocean. So when I was seeing what was happening in the Gulf of Mexico with the oil spill, it affected me so bad. I started to write some things down that I was seeing on the television. And then I talked to some friends here that are in the band, and they said, hey, why don't you sing it? We'll record it. We put it on YouTube, and the next thing you know, it is like huge on YouTube. It's been picked up across the country by a lot of affiliates.
Yeah, Ted!
So we're going to do the song tonight. This is the first time we ever done it live. I don't like holding this thing.
You got it, dude. Just rock it, bro. Just rock it.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm Ted Inserra. This is Brad Pollock. He's a member of the band Seeds of Evolution. And I hope you enjoy it. There's colors in the sea, but it's black, not blue. It's covered with BP, and no one knows what to do. But there's more warning signs on the road ahead. There's a lot of Mother Nature simply washing up dead. Tony Haywood isn't Satan, but he is to me, because the hell in the Gulf was all caused by BP. Get your oil out of the ocean. Plug that hole in your pipeline. Get your crude off my shoreline. Plug that hole in your pipeline. Bon Ton Roulette is the Cajun way. But now their livelihoods are gone, and BP's gonna have to pay. You got the Pensacola beaches all covered in crude. James Carville is in a real bad mood. Why you can't plug the hole? I don't understand. No more offshore drilling. That is our demand. Get your oil out of the ocean.
Yeah!
Plug that hole in your pipeline. Get your crude off my shoreline. Plug that hole in your pipeline. Or else we're gonna go to the mattress.
Yeah!